Hello, my name is Kato Ositashvili. I'm 10th grade student, and today I'm going to talk about robots and how they change our lives. In this day and age, being out of a job is something that most employees will experience not just once, but possibly several times during their career span. Since almost everyone will experience this at one point or another, employers no longer view unemployment the same way they did many years ago. There may be no stigma at all attached to not having a job when you apply for a new one, if you can convincingly explain why you left your previous position. Yes, it can, such as new technologies and inventions. The status of economy which can be influenced by a recession. Competition caused by globalization and international trade. Policies of the government, regulation and market. Already in 2020, robots take inventory and clean floors in Walmart. They shelve goods and fetch them for mailing in warehouses. They cut lettuce and pick apples and even raspberries. They help autistic children socialize and stroke victims regain the use of their limbs. They patrol borders and in the case of Israel's Arab drone attack targets, they seem hostile. Robots arrange flowers, perform religious ceremonies, and even do stand-up comedy. So there are advantages, but there are disadvantages as well. It is the 21st century and we cannot work without machines. The first and the foremost advantage of having robots in workplace is their cost. Robots are much cheaper than humans and their cost is now decreasing. It's a fact that we cannot compare human abilities with robots, but robotic capabilities are now growing quickly. For example, if you run an essay writing service, you can use robots to perform every kind of research related to any subject. Robots can certainly handle their prescripted tasks, but they typically cannot handle unexpected situations. Where robots are increasing the efficiency in many businesses, they are also increasing the unemployment rate. Because of robots, human labor is no longer required in many factories and manufacturing plants. Robots operate on the basis of information fed to them through a chip. If one thing goes wrong, the entire company bears the loss. What can you expect out of a robot who has such a small level of intelligence? Till the time the robots are unable to reach the level of human intelligence or to rationalize the situation, humans will still have a vital role on every workplace. Besides, you cannot rule out the significant role of humans in a business. After all, no machine can replace the human factor real employees bring into a workplace. Thanks for your attention.